Good evening. I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. Let's go ahead and let's discuss today's topic, that is PSLV C58. But before we go ahead, I would like to show you something. These are all the APPSC and TSPSC courses that are available with us, and you may please download our app from the description that is given below this video. Rest all the details are also given there. Accordingly, you can pick up a course of your choice and you may please join for qualitative preparation. Now, let's go ahead. If you look at PSLV C58, that has been launched by India, that has been launched by India's ISRO. ISRO stands for Indian Space Research Organization. It has been launched on January 1st, 2024, and it has been a tremendous success. If you look at our ISRO, if you look at our especially PSLV, the majority of the launches have been successful. And one more, success has been achieved by India and ISRO, and all Indians are very happy and proud today. Look at this. ISRO stands for Indian Space Research Organization, we already know. And the current chairman of ISRO is S. Somanath. This also you know, but I want you to remember the name very clearly. PSLV stands for Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. And if you look at Exosat, it stands for X-ray Polarimeter Satellite. What is this? This we are going to discuss after some time. And if you look at PSLV C58, it has been launched on January 1st, 2024, and we have initiated our new year with a grand success, and all the thanks to the scientists of ISRO. Look at this. It has been launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center, SDSC. Where is this? This is located in Sriharikota. Where is Sriharikota? That is there in Andhra Pradesh. And kindly remember, this Sriharikota, which is a place for launching various, the satellites, it has been located in Tirupati district of Andhra Pradesh. Kindly make a note of this. Tirupati district is important, Andhra Pradesh is important, and Sriharikota is also important. And what is the name of this center is also important. Satish Dhawan Space Center. Right? And when it comes to PSLV, it has been given a title called Workhorse of ISRO. Clear? Please remember all the points. Very important one. From here, let's go ahead to look at the pick of one of the very great personalities in India, and this is Sri Somanath, and he is the chairman of ISRO, a wonderful personality with great knowledge and commitment. And under his able leadership, definitely ISRO is going to reach more and more milestones. Look at this. So here, on January 1st, 2024, ISRO kicked off the new year with the launch of PSLV C8 Exosat. Please remember, Exosat stands for X-ray Polarimeter Satellite. Very important one. And when it comes to our PSLV, in its sixth mission, lifted off at 9:10 a.m. on January 1st, 2024 from Sriharikota, and 22 minutes later, it has launched Exosat into an eastward low inclination orbit. This is what happened on January 1st, 2024 morning. Clear? So kindly remember these points. And what is Exosat? We'll have a discussion. But remember, they may ask you what is Exosat. It stands for X-ray Polarimeter Satellite. Right? And if you look at this PSLV C58, it has placed the primary satellite Exosat in the desired orbit of 650 kilometers with 6-degree inclination. So this is a really a wonderful one. And when it comes to Exosat, very important, maybe a possible question. This is the first dedicated scientific satellites from ISRO. For what? To carry out research on what? In space in space-based polarization, measurements of X-ray emission from celestial sources. Very important point. Please note down this point very clearly. For this particular purpose, this is the first dedicated scientific satellites from ISRO. Am I clear? And how many payloads it is carrying? Two. What are they? One is the Polix and second one is the Expect. What do you mean by this? Polarimeter instrument in X-rays and X-ray spectroscopy and timing. Clear? Very important one. And this has been developed by Raman Research Institute in Bengaluru and Expect is by Space Astronomy Group of URSC Bengaluru. Please remember these points. Very important for the examination, and I would like to show you more points also. Look at this. Another very important point, as I told you, very important point. Please make a note of this. The successful launch of Exosat put India in an elite category as India became the second nation. India became the second nation. Clear? In what? To send an observatory to study astronomical sources such as the black holes, neutron stars, among others. Right? In the world, India became the second nation. Now the possible question in the examination, which is the first country? The first country is United States of America. Very important. This is a great achievement by India, and India became the second nation in the world after United States of America. Am I clear? So these are the points that you are supposed to remember for the examination, and I would like to show you one question. Kindly have a look at this. After discussing all these points, definitely you are in a position to understand and answer this. Three statements are given. At least two statements are correct. At least two are correct and three may be correct. Clear? And what is the question? Let's read it first. Which of the following statements are true regarding ISRO's PSLV C-58 successfully launched on January 1st, 2024? Clear? It has been successfully launched on January 1st, 2024. And what are the statements that are correct regarding this? Clear? Kindly remember, at least two statements are right, three may be right. If you look at the first one, it has placed the primary satellite Exosat in the desired orbit of 650 kilometers with a 6-degree inclination. We read this just now, we understood this now, so the statement A is correct. Clear? Statement A is very much correct. And when it comes to statement B, Exosat is the first dedicated satellite from ISRO to carry out research in space-based polarization, measurements of X-ray emission from celestial sources. That also we have read, so statement B is also right. Clear? And just because two statements are correct, A and B, don't jump onto option number 1, because we also have option 4. We don't know whether the statement C is right or wrong. That is the reason why during these circumstances, don't jump onto answer option 1, but you have to read statement C also. Clear? Let's read and try to find out whether statement C is correct or not. If the statement C is correct, then our answer will become option 4. If the statement C is wrong, then our option will be option 1 will be the correct answer. Clear? Look at this. India has become the second nation to send an observatory study astronomical sources such as black holes, neutron stars, among others, and the first country being Russia. Whole statement is correct except the last words. Yes or no? Right, just now we have understood India is the second country in the world to achieve this. First being Russia, that is the wrong statement. And we already understood the first nation to do so is, the first nation to achieve this is United States of America. So obviously statement C is wrong. So then my answer is not option 4 and my answer should be option A. But please be very very careful. Instead of Russia here or France, China, any other country, they might also give United States of America. Then option 4 will become the correct answer. That is the reason why don't jump onto the options. Read all the statements carefully. You will have enough time. That is the reason why you need to practice more and more so that you will get adjusted to that particular environment. Meaning, even under pressure, you should be able to work. Fine. So, let's check whether this statement is, this option A is correct or not. Look at this. That's it. Option 1 is correct. Statements A and B are correct. Fine. And whoever wish to join various courses, please download our app Kalyan Times. All the details are given in the description, and also please follow me on this Telegram channel so that you will be getting updates from time to time. Thank you so much for being with me. I'll see you in the next session, and I wish you all a very 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 good luck. And once again, I wish you all a very very happy, wonderful, prosperous and successful new year. Thank you.